So Karen, another everyday issue is a lot of people sit in front of their computers for many hours. And I know I myself am guilty of not sitting probably properly in front of the computer, and I do feel a little bit of stress and pain. Can you give us some helpful hints as to how to, sit ergonomically correct?
Absolutely. I have a lot of patients with similar complaints. So we can pretend like this is our desk. So a lot of ways that people will sit at their computer, especially when you're speaking of neck pain, is you can be crunched up like this, you're writing a stressful email to one of your coworkers, or you're just slouched like this and your head is reaching forward. So when you're talking about ergonomics, the first thing you want to look at is your desk. You want everything to be movable. You want to adjust everything to you. Everything can move to you versus you moving to it. When you speak about ergonomic chairs, I mean, you can get a chair for $20, you can get a chair for $1,000. It doesn't have to be expensive to be ergonomic.
Okay.
So really the biggest thing is that it's adjustable. So you can move it down, you can move it up. So when you're sitting in your chair, you want to make sure that your feet are on the ground.
Okay.
For shorter people, a way to do that is just to get a box or a book to put under your feet so you're not reaching for the floor. You want to make sure that your arms I should have armrests, so you want to make sure your arms are comfortably resting on the armrest. So you have a nice 90-degree angle here, your shoulders aren't up, and you can just be relaxed. When it comes to a laptop, I would recommend putting it up on something. You want to make sure that you can see the screen this way, so you're not looking down like that. You can get a keyboard. So I would get a keyboard attachment. So you're typing here, you're sitting up nice and tall, and you're looking directly at the computer screen. So you're like this.
Okay.
Another important thing to remember is you can't sit like this for hours. It's just not normal. So you want to take breaks every 30 minutes to an hour. Just take a break. Relax your shoulders. Make sure you're not up like this. Do a couple stretches. Stand up and sit back down again and just reset your body, because after 15 minutes you're going to get into this position. That's a natural thing to happen. So you always want to be checking in. Whenever you check an email, check your posture.
Excellent. It sounds like all different things we can all do. Thank you so much for having us here today. Until next time, that's What's Cooking Cranford.